What is going on, guys? It's your boy YKTV Frenchie, and y'all know the vibes. In today's video, we're gonna go searching for some parts for my new red hatchback. So I need a few interior pieces and kind of just some things to put the car fully together. So hopefully we find some good stuff, and let's get to it.
I've been trapping around the world. I sit on, but you don't put me in a kennel. Girl, put a muzzle on it on that bar.
Alrighty, let's look around. Integra. It's kind of clapped. CRX, jeez. Oh, so sad. It's fucking sick. Damn. Right, where is this hatchback that I saw online? Coupe? No motor? Bro. People be stripping the D-series now? Damn. Mazda. Early in the morning, late at night. Audi Quattro. Oh, it's fucking grass. Early in the morning, late at night. It's a red one, supposedly. Another coupe. Automatic. Alright. Let's try to find what we need. CRV. Early in the morning, late at night. Prelude. Yes, sir. Okay. Ooh, look at that Suzuki. Damn. That's kind of fucking height. Okay. BMW X5. Sedan. Looking over here. I'll just do a quick little walk around because this thing is annoying to carry. But I am pumped that I ended up getting the piece I needed. Sedan. Oh, I need a manual one because I want to get the shifter as well. But hatchback with some racer muffler on it. This is the Saab. This thing's pretty cool. Strange, but cool. Honestly, not too much here today. Is that a 3-piece wheel up there? What is that? Ah, itchy, itchy. This is pretty cool too. Suzuki Sidekick. Honestly, pretty cool. Nothing beats that CRX. RIP that CRX. But ooh, better watch my step.
Germany can't believe that they heard of me. Last verse that I gotta do is always like surgery.
Okay guys, I'm back at the YKTV headquarters, and yeah, this is the piece that I ended up getting on mine. It's all cracked over there, so this one's in pretty good shape. And then I also got like a shift boot. I don't know if I'll put it on, but I have it. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I know you guys liked the last Junkyard vlog, so hopefully this one does even better. And it's your boy YKTV Frenchie signing off. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and peace.